Hello beautiful babes, thanks for stopping by. It's your girl Sweet Angel. Y'all, today's video is all about treating skin pigmentation, dark spots, acne, all of those things that can actually be treated at home. I know there is a number of creams and serums on the market, over the counter, or even prescribed that proclaim that they can also treat skin pigmentations, but they can get quite costly. So today's video is all about home remedies that can easily help rid of dark spots, pigmentation, acne scars, etc. If you're ready for it, go ahead and drop a like on the video and let's get right into it today. So let me start off by sharing a number of remedies that you can use right at home. The first one that we're going to start with is potatoes. Potatoes are well known to remove pigmentation, dark spots, and blemishes. Simply rub gently a freshly cut slice of potato on the affected areas of your skin every day. Alternatively, you can mix potato juice with Fuller's Earth and apply this daily to remove pigmentation. Now let's explore lemon juice and honey. Just mix lemon juice and pure organic honey in equal proportions. Apply over the affected areas. Whereas lemon acts as a natural bleach, the honey has moisturizing properties. However, as lemon is acidic, so avoid this remedy if you have sensitive skin. Next up, we have aloe vera juice or aloe vera juice and vitamin E. Aloe vera has natural soothing and healing properties. Squeeze out aloe vera gel and keep it in a bottle in the refrigerator. Apply this gel over the affected areas for 20 minutes. It works to slough off older skin cells and regenerate newer ones. To enhance its effectiveness, break one vitamin E capsule and add it to its contents. Now let's take some milk and honey. You may also add a little curd to this. Milk and curd have lactic acid, which works to slough off the affected skin cells, leaving behind fresh skin. This natural remedy helps in reducing skin pigmentation. You can also use cucumber juice, as this is an effective home remedy in removing skin pigmentation, lightening dark spots, and fading blemishes. Apply the cucumber juice alone or mix with honey and lemon in equal proportions. Apply this over the affected areas regularly in a day for half an hour and then wash it off. Now this remedy requires orange peel. Mix dry, powdered orange peel with cold milk, unskimmed and unboiled, and a little honey to make out a thick paste. Apply it gently over the pigmented skin and patches. Let it sit there for half an hour and then wash it off. And now the final treatment you can use is tomato, oatmeal, and yogurt. Tomato acts as a natural bleach. Yogurt also works as a natural bleach and has skin tightening properties. Oatmeal works as a natural scrubber. Squeeze out tomato juice and add 2 teaspoons of oatmeal and half teaspoon of yogurt. Apply this mixture gently on the pigmented skin areas and let it sit for 20 minutes to dry and then wash it off. This mixture works as an effective home remedy for removing skin pigmentation. And there you go, beautiful babes, several treatments that you can use. When you're ready to begin your treatment, you have plenty of options, but prepare to be patient. No matter which options you choose, whether it's going to be over the counter or whether it's going to be prescription or even natural treatments, think in terms of months rather than weeks. Steady and consistent treatment is your friend. If you have skin conditions that are more severe, remember your skincare doctor should guide you to the right treatment for your skin. I'm your girl Sweet Angel, signing out for now. Thank you all so much for sharing in this video with me today. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the post notification bell, leave a comment. If you don't have anything to say, feel free to drop me some hearts because I truly love hearts. And please, don't keep me a secret. Be sure you keep on sharing me with your world. I will see you all on the next video. Bye now.